Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We're back talking about Bitcoin at new all-time highs after Donald Trump has been confirmed as the next president of the United States. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. Smash the bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below this video in the description. Grab it now while it's free. It is my gift to you. And let's get into the video. So, brand new all-time highs for Bitcoin in the wake of Donald Trump winning the US election last night, and Bitcoin with this huge daily candle, a huge 4-hour candle, if we zoom into the 4-hour chart, going from the price of about 69.3 all the way up to a new all-time high of 75,000 US dollars, one of the biggest green candles I have seen in a long time. Zooming out, we were a little bit uncertain on what was going to happen with the result of the election and the anticipation of whether Trump or Harris was going to get into office. We did see a breakdown. We saw Bitcoin getting all the way up to test previous all-time highs on October 29th before dropping back down below the level, this trend line that we had broken above. And that trend line goes all the way back to the March highs at 73,000. And we broke below that. You can see for a couple of days, we even stayed below this before we got not confirmation, but even in the wake of Trump pulling ahead with early voting coming in, we saw this green candle begin to move to the upside. And then we shot even higher when it began to look like Trump was going to indeed become victorious. So, huge positive news for the Bitcoin community and for the price action, not just in Bitcoin, but across the board. We're seeing Ethereum getting up to the 2620 level. The next step for Ethereum will be to come and retest this level of resistance at around 2780, 2800. That has kept it down here since going all the way back to the beginning of August, and then we need to test the 200-day moving average when we get up a little bit further. Solana has broken up to test, again, this upper level of resistance that we have had it trying to push past around the $186, $187 level as well. We've wicked up there today. You can see we got rejected for the moment, but we could be going even higher. So we've maintained this level above 162. We broke back above that last night, again on the back of Bitcoin moving higher, and tokens like Sui and Tau pumping as well. Sui wicking all the way up to previous all-time highs where we hit those again in the middle of October, wicking up there in the past few hours as well, and tokens like Tau beginning to bounce and move back to the upside as well. So lots of positive price movement in the market. I think the general sentiment is that, Trump came out and said a lot of positive things about Bitcoin in the lead up to the election during the course of his campaign run. Again, what we've also seen is Bitcoin overtaking Meta as one of the top assets by market class. So Bitcoin is now the 9th largest asset class at just under 1.5 trillion US dollars, just overtaking Facebook, Meta platforms in terms of being one of the largest asset classes in the world. It's now only behind Saudi Aramco, silver, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and gold. So definitely a few more items to check off the list as we continue to move up in price, but making moves and making progress nonetheless. And we can also see the euro is falling on the Trump win, the US dollar to the euro. If we bring up the chart very quickly, the EUR to USD is obviously dropping on the result of a Trump win as well. The dollar getting stronger against the euro, but also against a number of other currencies around the world on the back of the news of Trump getting into office. And also, we saw Bitcoin, Trump appearing at Bitcoin Nashville this year, talking about making a strategic Bitcoin reserve asset for the United States. Again, will he be a man of his word and actually implement that? That remains to be seen, but I think we can clearly see the market moving on the back of this news over the past 12 to 24 hours. We're seeing the S&P again opening up here to new all-time highs and moving even higher. So it's not just crypto, it's the entire stock market, beginning to price in this apparent positive news for the economy, for the United States, and for some of the largest companies here in the world. So lots of green across the board in crypto. Bitcoin up 6%. Solana up 11%. We've got Dogecoin up just under 10% as well. We've got other tokens making big moves like SUI up just under 12%. Uniswap up almost 30% in the past 24 hours alone, getting up to $9.24. BitTensor up just under 17%. Aave up more than 20%. Kronos up 16%. Injective up 17%. Some of these big movers are the ones that you want to be paying attention to when we have a move for Bitcoin. Many of these altcoins will begin to outperform Bitcoin on a percentage basis as Bitcoin moves higher. So lots of exciting stuff going on. Radium, the Solana DEX up 14%. Jasmy Coin back up 10%. Aerodrome up almost 14%. Lots of moves being made by many of these altcoins that will outperform Bitcoin on a percentage basis now that we've reached all-time highs and we are into price discovery to move to the upside. So lots of exciting stuff happening. Again, a very quick update, guys. I've partnered up with Femex, one of the leading crypto exchanges, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. Again, full disclosure, there is a referral link in the description of this video, but I've spoken with the team at Femex. They are a great bunch of people. Again, they've got access to a huge plethora of different tokens. Of course, you've got all of your staples like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then you've got a whole bunch of altcoins and a very good meme coin selection. Of course, you've got the likes of SUI. You've got the likes of BitTensor Tau. We've got the likes of Kaspa. You've got meme coins like Ponky. You've got meme coins like Doge, Shiba Inu, and many of the other most popular memes, even Brett. So a huge market over here on Femex for purchasing many of your favorite tokens. We've got Render, we've got Aero, we've got a whole bunch of supported DeFi networks and platforms. So a very, very robust exchange. Referral linked below in the description of the video. Check it out if you want. Of course, there's no pressure. I've spoken with these guys, as I said, and they are a very genuine group of people. Check it out below. Use Femex for some of your centralized exchange purchasing needs. And as always, we'll catch you on the next video. But before you leave, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit the subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash the bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below. Grab it now while it's free, and we'll catch you in the next one.